Welcome to our channel, don't rush by.
Right, today we're going down a dray engine bay. Or oil change and filter change. Change this bad boy, which is a pain. Everybody's nightmare, just when you can't get to it. Simply pump the oil out here. Right, now I don't know why everybody's frightened of doing this job, because it's the simplest job ever. You just need a couple of empty drums. Put in the Allen bolt. That stops you accidentally losing your oil. And just simply pump away. Right, this is fun. That's one. Number two. And for those that are wondering, I do this with a cold engine, not a warm one. That's nearly empty. That's about empty, so I'll do me. Right, this is the important thing, don't forget to put the bung back in, preferably without fluff on it. Ta-da! That's the easy bit. Now for the oil filter. I don't know where you're going to see this, but these are not the easiest of things to get into. But luckily it comes off dead easy. And somewhere I've got a little tin tray, which I'm open to jam down here, catch anything that comes out. If you're dead quick, you shouldn't lose too much. I don't know if you can see, but I always put a little bit of oil around here to help it seal. And just simply pop it back on. And only do them up hand tight, not with any tools, because you'll never get the bloody thing off again. That's it, simple as. Just got to pop some oil in now. Right, putting new oil in. How much do I need? I'll tell you, look in your handbook or Google it, because they're all different. How's that for an answer?
Can you remember how much you need?
How much I need?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Okay,
5 litres or so. I don't think my funnel's big enough, but it's all I've got to hand. Start off with this little bit. Get rid of the dregs first. This is the easy bit. The gearbox is a bit I8. Yeah, another empty tub for the next oil change. Don't keep them in the engine bay. Now this is where I chuck it everywhere. Maybe not. Done that before, haven't you? Could have done with a bigger funnel, I think. Right, now I should be getting somewhere near the mark. I've been full. So I'm going to stop there for a minute and check my dip and stick. And I'll give it a second or two. There's loads of room down here, mate. Oh, nowhere near. Give it a minute or two, eh? Let it drain down. Still here. Need a lot more yet then. It's still not showing. Well, I reckon it's going to take this drum and a bit more. That's what I'm thinking. Oh, it looks just like cooking oil.
Give it a go.
What with your chips? Another tub. We're getting there now. And nearly to the top. We'll let it settle. You're leaning on the bilge pump, Fatty. Jesus, woman. You better not edit that out. Right, let's see where we're at on the dipstick measuring device. She'll take a tiny bit more. Tiny bit more. Ready, steady. And we've got it again. We're good at this. Bloody hell, there's a massive spider down there. I'm being serious as well. Massive, where's he gone? Carry me off, he will. Leave me to his babies. Spot on. That'll do, mate. To the top mark. I'm not explaining the marks. Better things to do. Remember to put the filler cap on. It's very messy if you forget. I've seen many a car that's not had them put back on. Now, remove the dipstick. It's somewhere safe. Now, to get the oil out is a nightmare, trust me. This may or may not work, depending if I can get it down there. Waste oil department. Waste oil department. It's going to get messy in it. I can tell already. Tell already, Miss Katrina. We ain't got a lot of oil in there. Oh, it's everywhere. Cleaner than it was last time I changed it. Which is good. You're probably wondering why I'm doing it like this. I'll tell you why, because you can't get anything under the chuffing gearbox. a bit neutral under it. Such a nuisance. Oil everywhere. Not going to plan. Come on. You little stinker. Might have to do it the messy way. God. Got it stuck there. Very messy. Oh. This ain't gonna happen, is it? Oh well. We got a dribble. That was a lot. Bloody thing. Right then, let's find the drain bowl. The stupid drain bowl. Oh, that's handy. It's different size to fill a cap. Right, finally found a spanner that might fit. That's a nightmare of a job. It's going to get very messy. Come on. Right, that's that nearly off. Now, next job I think is to find a little plastic tub to catch in. Oh, the joys of changing gearbox oil. Have to catch it in one of these. And a baking tray underneath. Oh, it's good fun. A little bit at a time. And my next problem is I can't rightly remember how much this bad boy holds. Can you remember, Miss Katrina?
Would you like to go find the paperwork?
Oh, it's not going well. Oh, this is why I put a baking tray under. Because it overflowed. And now I've got oil everywhere. Bugger. Not just yet. What a mess I've made. I made a right mess.
Nothing unusual there.
No swarf in the bottom, that's good. No swarf in the bottom. Now, I have a problem. Have a problem.
What?
I might have to go on the tool belt thing. I don't know where to put that. It's a problem. The main problem is getting this tray out from under the engine. Because it's got lots of oil in.
Can you not use your
Not that. Not that much. Right, replace the old washer with a new one and chuck it back in. Find the spanner. Spanner. There it is. And don't over tighten it because you'll strip it dead easy. Too long. Too much on the floor. I'm assuming you're filming.
Mm-hmm.
Expect my Yorkie pudding this later. Right, you're gonna have to stop what you're doing. Oh, look at my nice clean floor. Oil all over it. It'll be alright. We'll get a good scrub in a minute. Ah, that's better. Apart from the leaf. Got rid of the oil. Happy again now. Now it says 1.4 litres. Go to the mark on the dipstick, which you can't see, so I'm going to go 1.4 meters. Meters? Litres even. Different gearboxes take different amounts. Now I've got to get this in all. Maybe I should have left my train a bit longer, but I have no idea how I'm going to do this. No, I really aren't. Oh dear. Oh dear, 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 dear. It's going to get messy. Or maybe not. I do love a simple job. Do you like a simple job, Miss Katrina? What have we got left in there? A little bit. From this angle? Yeah. Took it all over the pipe work. We're in. Oh, it's on my floor again. I'm not doing right well about this, am I? There we have it, I think. Get the funnel back out. Good old Barrus Shire, make everything easy for me. Right then, there's my clean rag. Let me pull that funnel out of the way. More cleanish rag. One dippy stick. And it says, I have no idea because you can't see the chuffing stuff. She's full. She's full, mate. I'm calling that job jobbed. Once we find a spanner. Done. Well, that's that job jobbed. It's got diesel filters to do now. After a sandwich, of course.